right, today we're going to bring an outdoor graded light. Now this one has an LED light built into the system. All right, it's made for large posts. If you guys can see, all the cables are installed underneath of it, so they're going to be well secure. You got your green one, which is ground, you got your black one, which is hot, and then you got your white one, which is neutral. Now let's go over some stuff that you need to be aware, right, about the system. First of all, if you guys can see, there's two knobs in here. There's actually an entrance here, and I'm going to talk a little bit more about it, and there's another one. Now this one, you could adjust the sensor. All right, it has a photocell sensor, meaning that motion sensor, it's going to turn on auto light automatically. Not only that, it's going to distinguish from day to night mode on this one. All right, so it's a perfect security light to have in the front. If you ever walk into some entrances, it automatically turn on. All right, now on this part, this is very important right here. We're going to open it up. So it took me, you could do it with a flathead or a longer Phillips to open it up. And it's well secure. It's a low cap that's well secure. In here, you're gonna have adjustment on the light fixture, right, to change the tone on different, because you could actually change it to from I'm gonna post how many tones you can change in here. You could change them. So what we're gonna leave it open. So we're gonna set this up here so you guys can see the light, how it works, and the sensitivity. Now when you're gonna touch this, don't have it as on. All right, it's recommended to turn it off prior to make the changes. So we're gonna leave it as is right now, and then we'll start changing the actual lumens on. All right, as you can see, we have the lights completely off. I'm going to turn it on right now so you guys can see. That's the first mode that we have. All right, so right now we're going to change it on the actual top so you guys can see how bright it is, and I'm going to set you guys a little bit back so you can see more. All right, we're going to turn on the next mode. This one got a little bit brighter, so let's change the next one. And this one's a little bit more yellow, if you guys can see it. So we're changing the different tones. Let's try one more. And a little bit more brighter yellow. So we're going to change it back to brighter sunlight. And this is the brightest we have right now. So there's a lot of tones right now. We're only going to go 3 or 4 of them so you guys can see. We're going to put this outdoors so you guys can see how it looks outdoors. All right, if you're going to have it in your entrance, look how bright it looks. And this is the brightest we have right now set up, but it looks beautiful. I set it up here. You could have it in any entrance, but this actually lights up the entire area here because I set up to the brightest. So if you're gonna do the outdoor light made for your garage or anywhere, you could set up this on a post. Very simple. 3 plugs, 3 connections, and you need a post. Hope you guys enjoy the video.